Did you know that with the TikTok Creativity Program, people are making thousands of dollars a month just from views? This TikTok account has amassed 3.9 million followers by uploading motivational quotes. And this Instagram account has gained 1.5 million followers. Before we dive in, let me show you a demo video. Then I'll teach you how to make viral videos with dark motivational quotes for TikTok or YouTube Shorts.
Life's rule is that life will never wait for you to be okay. Get up every day and keep pushing forward.
First, open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. I will share this prompt in the video description. You can generate quotes from ChatGPT without any prompt. But with this prompt, we will generate a story-type script. This will create more engaging short videos for TikTok. After generating the script, copy it, making sure it's at least 1 minute long so you can earn money from TikTok. Next, open ElevenLab, then go to Voice and Voice Library. Here, you need to find a deep voice for motivational quotes. Take your time to find the right voice, then add it to VoiceLab.
To exist is to change is to mature is to go on creating oneself endlessly.
After adding the voice, go back to the home screen, select the voice, paste the script, and click on the Generate Speech button. Then download it.
In moments of doubt, I always remind myself of the power of motivation. A simple quote can ignite a spark that keeps me moving forward.
Next, open Pixabay and Pexels to download videos related to luxurious video clips. Try to find ones suitable for your video script. If you have any paid stock footage, that's even better. Additionally, you can use AI-generated videos. After downloading, import all the data into CapCut. Then, drag each video clip onto the timeline and try to set each clip to a duration of 2 to 3 seconds. If you need more clips, open the CapCut library and download free video clips for your project. After this, set the ratio to 9:16 and adjust all clips accordingly. Next, go to Transitions and add a fade-in or any other transition you think is better. After this, select any clip, go to Adjustments, and set saturation to 50 and brightness to 20. Additionally, you can add any kind of dark effect to your video. Next, click on Auto Caption and generate captions. Then, select and add any template you think is better. Change the font, color, and stroke to make it better. After applying the captions, you can now add background music. Since I'm going to upload this video on TikTok, I'll use CapCut Music. After this, export the video.
In moments of doubt, I always remind myself of the power of motivation. A simple quote can ignite a spark that keeps me moving forward. Believe you can, and you're halfway there, I think to myself when I'm hesitant about taking the next step. The journey of life is rarely straightforward, but as I set my goals, I recall another saying: the only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. It's a gentle nudge to keep my dreams alive despite